Who are you? Ellie or Komachi? It's hard to see it exactly. So, cut few trees. Let me see my team. Okay. Back to Tokiko because I know who comes. Na, 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 na. Shizua! You won't annoy me with your leech seed. Minoriko. Oh, is this theme one of my favorites? Like, yeah, Emotional Skyscraper and Nuclear Fusion. Oh god, I have so many. And another Minoriko. Kinda cute. And that's it. So, oh. I have to register it first. Bicycle register and go. Ah crap. Oh, Yugi. That should be easy going. Aw. I thought it was super effective, but it isn't. Oh yeah. Torment. No. Suicades. Yeah. 12 critical hit in the session. Oh, Ice Theme. No. This theme is not bad too. Team 40 Swagger? What's with Aerial Ace? Oh. Wrong, I wanted to skip some trainers to do something. Go my Super Bonéka. Singular or plural? Plural. Yeah, the three fairies of light. Ooh, missed. Okay, Star, Sapphire. The tank of the three fairies here. Oh, flinched. And Luna Child. You get stomped. Oh damn it. Oh, that's not so bad. Alright, Chen. Wait a sec. Ah! I knew it! It has its reason why I do this. Okay. What is in this squares here? Okay, Tokiko. Something else. Mistia. I'm sure there's a third Bonéka. No, not that. Not you say. My theory should be right that there's a... You know what? I will speed up. I will speed it up. Cyrano! Ah, you got fairy swipe. Wow! 13th critical hit. Okay, never mind. I wanted to say. Cyrano, okay. Cyrano is the third Bonéka here. Just to test it. No. Just no. Okay, I already healed me. Cherry food. Rock tunnel. Oh crap! I forgot something. Whatever, I'm just at this area, so it's not so bad. Mumia. This time I won't speed up. Except when 10 Rumias are coming in a row, then I will speed up. This is number 2. Oh, Kisume. But I already have one. Sorry. Nope. Free time. Okay. Don't be shy, come out. There must be a certain Bonéka too. Left and right, left and right. Up, down. Ah, so dark. Okay, a perfect place for a room, yeah. Makes sense. There we go! Oh, come on! Not accepted. Yeah, you see what I wanna have here. There is Lenny! Oopsie. I didn't want to do this. Okay. Come on. Left and right, blah. Come on. Wow. Chromias everywhere and Kisumes. Ah. If there comes one more Woomy, I will speed up. Or else it takes too long. Okay, Kizumi doesn't count. At least there is some flexibility here. There we go. Perfect. So, Jen, don't destroy her, please. Okay. That should make it easier to catch her. Wow! Haha! Yay, my third favorite character was caught. And yeah. Letty, Winter Bonéka. When Letty comes out, that means winter season started. Letty's Gino's friend. More or less. And bad timing. The sun is shining here and spring begun. So bad timing, bad timing. So, I have already a name for her. It depends on a certain roleplay. So, not Big Boo. There we go. Big Boss. Ah. I hope Lady's proud of me that I caught her. Kinda. Let me see. Now I will know what her nature is. Summary. Impish. Wall of Ice, hidden cold protection. Oh, right. Her ice powers are so strong that, yeah, she is resisted about heat and cold. Seems legit. But impish nature. I don't like this nature. I mean from the stat. Alphys is kind of fast. Don't underestimate her. So, come to my party and you Kwakuma go away. Oh, I didn't even check the attacks. I only saw West from her. Ooh, Aurora Beam. The West defense cannot hail. Yep, she's definitely a special attacker. That fits. Is she still... Okay, she is only ice type. I thought she is rock type too. Oh, actually I wanted to fly but I can't already. So, let us train Letty. And no, that's not Fatty. I hate this fandom stuff. And Tabi, my hate character. Die! That's gonna take a while. She's a beast type. Ha! Knew it! Okay. The lady training will... yeah. Will take a while, as I said. Burn heal! Nah. Okay, he's moving at all. Yamame! Oh, that should be easy going for Letty. Shall I attack? Do I have any HP restoring stuff? Hyper potion, nah. Aurora beam! Oh, I'm faster! Wow! I thought it was super fake. Okay, that's kinda nonsense. That's nonsense. So, Chen. Not very effective. But my accuracy fell. That's bad. Hit 3 times. Oh no, mud slip again. My accuracy, no. Bite her. Yummy spider. Suika. Oh, that's a problem for big boss. But for that case, I have chain. I can use chain. Yeah. Oh, it should hit more than 2 times, please. Okay, bite did enough damage. And the hiker got beaten. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, I have already beaten this trainer, but not this one. Oh, a berry. No, no, come on. So, chest of food. This berry. It looks so wrong. Oh, I wanted to switch Hoppler. Blech, toxic gas. Wow, that was even a good idea. Wow, 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 wow. Don't die. Letty would be very angry at me if I yeah, let her faint. And my 14th critical hit. Service swipes. 15th critical hit in this session. And big boss. Oh yeah. Too many Yamamis. I bet that Letty would beat the crap out of the Aki sisters. Poor sisters. Oh, infectious. Damn it. Who said that you're allowed to sleep? Nah, I'm not a mean trainer at all. You can sleep. So. Yugi. Good girl. Comet Punch! Uh-huh. Between nature power. Ah! Super effective. Oh. Oh. Nothing to worry about. Alright. Well, I think I will let it be for now. I just heal my team and then I'm gonna take a break. So. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I did it. I have beaten Lieutenant Surge alias Major Bob, called Letty alias Big Boss, and yeah, everything went quite well. Okay, see you next time. Your Gaudimann.